ano naman ang thoughts ninyo sa Lalali?
I am obsessed. Ang lalali, which is nalali, it means rebellious person. I don't give a fuck person. Which we saw in the music video. So, yung ganong initial reaction was like, what the hell? I can't believe they're doing this. It's just crazy. It's just a lot of fun.
It's just very boisterous and rambunctious, in your face, and it's basically what the song is. Alam mo yun, medyo mic drop moment nila to na parang, can't compete with us, the serve.
The thing about hip-hop unit as well is that nasa kanila talaga yung mga face card. Pag nagsama-sama yung apat na ulo na yun sa screen, wala. Wala na.
Diba?
Tapos na guys. Tapos na talaga. 1, 2, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong! This is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia and welcome to another episode of 1, 2, sarang! Heart to heart to!
Hi!
Kamusta naman?
Parang every time na lang nagsisimula tayo sa weather reporting. But it's nice tonight.
Yeah, because it's quite rainy.
It's raining a little bit. There's a tropical depression.
Correct.
So, thank you.
And you know why it's raining?
Why?
Because
Do tell.
sinasabi ni Song Chol, diba, na ang langit ay nagsiselos sa ating pagmamahalan. Kaya umuulan. And bakit namin kailangan banggitin si Song Chol? Because actually tonight, as of recording, it is the 9th anniversary of 17.
Oh my God!
Congratulations!
Oh my God. Happy birthday, 17. Thank you so much for being borning.
It's your last year of being a single-digit person.
Oh my gosh,
group,
imagine.
Entity.
Correct. Tsaka, ang 17 pala is a Gemini. Dahil May 25.
Gemini season.
Gemini pala sila.
Yeah.
Correct. It's June and Hoshi's time to shine. At dahil nga anniversary ng 17, ay alangan namang palalampasin namin ito nang hindi na pag-uusapan.
Correct.
Ang aming mga mahal at syempre ang kanilang latest comeback.
Yes! Excited.
Nakapag ano na ba kayo ng maestro? Patingin naman ng mga
Dance
nagpa-demo.
challenge?
Oh, dance
Dance
challenge.
challenge?
Ay, kala
Or
ko lang
bili
yung
ng
kamay-kamay.
Oh. Or bili ng album, aling version. O bilis, ipakita, yung kamay-kamay, dahil sabi ni Trency na kaya niya, ipopost niya yan sa aming TikTok at Instagram. Di ba?
Gugulatin ko na lang kayo mamaya, bigyan lang habang nagsasalita. Ganun ako.
Bigang ginagawa mo yan. Di ba? Tinuro pa yan ni Song Kwan kay Harry, doon sa kanyang guesting sa show ni Harry. Cute
nun.
No? Sobrang daming ganaps kapag comeback. Pero for today, syempre, ang ifo-focus lang namin is the latest album and of course, the title tracks and yung mga nire-release ng mga different units. Okay, so ang pag-uusapan namin tonight is of course Maestro and of course the unit songs. And then, pag-uusapan din namin, of course, biglang nagka-MV ulit yung mga unit songs. It's been so long since they last did this. And we would also be talking about a very special night that we all had just last week dahil nag-debut na kami as a girl group. Wow.
Wow.
Nag-debut kami on the live stage.
Correct. At McKinley Whiskey Park. Diba?
Yes.
Very
Thank
apt
you so
that
much.
it is a whiskey park.
I know. As mga lasinggera. Ay, wala pala tayong mga drinks tonight. Ako kuha ako mamaya.
Walang drinks kasi nga, nasobrahan sa inom, kaya ito, gastroenteritis. That is my journey from that event to now.
Signs of aging, ganyan.
Yeah.
Minsan nararamdaman natin, oh my God, pag-uusapan pa natin yan mamaya kung ano pa yung mga na-feel nating mga signs of aging during that event. But yeah, those are the things that we will be talking about for this episode. Karat Dul, na-miss nyo ba kami? Ay, hindi nila tayo masyado mamimiss dahil as of recording, bukas, meron na naman tayo sa pang-event. Thank you so much, Karat Land PH.
Yes,
As in,
sobra.
thank you.
Thank you for this
We're
opportunity.
We're so excited to see a whole lot more carrots tomorrow. Wait, as of recording, tomorrow in MOA. And hopefully by the time that you're listening to this episode or watching this episode, sana ilan sa inyo nakilala kami dahil nakita nyo kami sa MOA.
Yes.
Host ng
Correct.
event called Nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
Yeah.
Nostalgia.
With the G as a 9. I'm so excited to see kung ano yung mga pakulo nila bukas. And we will be
Yes.
posting those on our social media on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Inuna ko talaga yung Facebook as a matanda. Okay. Let's get right to it. Umpisahan na natin sa kanilang comeback na, maestro. Eto na, sobrang from the teasers to the releasing of the song. Okay, eto na, una kong tanong. What do you guys think about this song? And how about the MV? Ano ang inyong mga thoughts? Sinong gustong mauna?
Me, I can start.
Okay.
Go.
I mean, leading up to it, sobrang pinipigilan ko yung sarili ko. Kasi ang exciting ng teaser, okay. Tapos yung final
Yes.
teaser pa, they already showed the dance break. Right?
Correct.
Which was so awesome. So parang, oh my
Yes.
God! Wow, this is, as in, hinihina, as in, pull down, kasi bawal ma-excite masyado, kasi baka biglang, alam mo yon. You know naman, yung thing natin na baka sobrang taas na expectations, tas biglang, hindi pala, or something.
Correct,
Pero, syempre, dahil
correct.
sa 70 naman, kahit ano naman ang ibigay nila sa atin, mamahalin pa rin natin.
Yes, just like our
of
last
course.
episode.
We don't understand, but we love
With
them.
notes.
Dahil
Correct.
pinapakinggan nila
Constructive
tayo.
criticism naman.
Oh, yeah.
Correct.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
So, ayun na nga, finally, dumating ang Maestro MV and we heard the song, the full song for the first time. And I must say, ang reaction ko was, if that is quite understandable.
Please elaborate
But the
what that
is,
means.
is
Oo
more
nga
of
eh.
like, sorry pero it really felt like a, whoa, what the hell is going on? Because so much has happened. Parang ang daming pak. If you guys recall that episode, when we talked about the comeback, Face the Sun, tapos yun yung comment ko. Yung comment ko sa Hot nun is parang the same as my comment in my show. Na parang sobrang daming nangyari na hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. So I had to like kind of pause and
Yeah.
like, absorb talaga what went down. And
Yes.
ang conclusion ko was, it's not so bad. There were moments that were great and alam mo yon, lalo yung mga woozy kasi parang yung song, it was very,
Yes.
very, maestro pa naman yung title, diba? So you
Yes.
already know that there's like a woozy thing going. It's about the music.
Correct.
It's about the
Yeah.
power that they hold as artists in the industry na may power na talaga by this time in their lives,
Correct.
diba? So, na-feel ko naman yon. Ayun lang. Parang siguro ang pinaka-comment ko lang sa music video is, like, I wish there were a few scenes that weren't there so that mas ma-flesh out yung
Cohesive.
iba. Oo, para mas
Flesh out.
makita yung iba. Parang yun lang naman. But it's not the worst. So,
Yeah.
yun.
Yeah.
Like, what points did you want it to flesh out for it to really pop for you?
It was, siguro dahil confused ako kasi dun sa teaser, they were talking about AI. So it's like, there's like a robots versus humans kind of thing.
Yeah,
so I
yeah.
was looking for that. And we did see
Yeah.
robots. We saw robot dogs. And then we saw humans, like in the form of fighting against like some robotic entity, aka Wonu Scene, the
Yeah.
the John Wick of 17. Na, alam mo yun, may ganon-ganon. So parang, hindi ko alam actually kung anong tatanggalin, pero siguro dahil may na-trigger tayo dun sa idea nga na may AI thing going, and then you see all these tech backgrounds going on, futuristic backgrounds going on. Sana mas determine kung ano talaga ang gusto
Yes.
nilang sabihin. Parang gano'n.
Gets.
Oh.
Super gets. How about you,
Okay.
Chancy?
I'm gonna start with the song first, siguro. Kasi since na-breakdown na ni Mon ng konti yung MV. Kasi parang when I watched the MV again recently, in preparation for this conversation, parang same din yung questions ko kay Mon. But I'm sure naman na they have their own conclusions as to
Yeah.
why yun yung
Yeah.
ginawa nila. So parang, I mean, at the end of the day, kasi it all boils down to what the song is.
Yeah.
And,
Yes.
inis ko, ano ba thesis ng kantang to? Sa totoo. Alam mo yun? Kasi parang yun nga, the teaser, kasi it's about the AI, and I think we had this
Correct.
conversation before nga, na, as what Mon said, na, parang, is it them fighting against, AI-ness of creating music, ganon?
Yes.
And then, when I went back to the lyrics nga of Maestro, parang ang pinaka-thesis na nakita ko is that part of the song that said, we take pride in our combinations from the beat to the melody, mix and match,
Yeah.
it's our thing. Crazy is the new normal because we change the world. So parang it's really them being in control nga of
Yes.
the music.
What they put
of,
out
of
there.
what they put out. Alam mo
Yeah.
yun, what they put out and all that. And parang natuwa ako dun, actually. Kasi kumbaga, parang at this point, and with this particular album, parang it's them telling to the world na we are finally at this pivotal point na in our careers. Alam mo yun? Parang we have changed the world. We can mix and match. And we know what we put out there is beautiful. It can change the world.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And may isa
Yes.
pang line nga din na dun sa song na, ano yun? Parang parang we're, line ni DK na parang we're here. Parang we're here together or
In
something like that.
Korean, charot.
Oh, in Korean. No, that's Korean. It's Joss in Korean. Something like that. So parang natuwa ako kasi at the end of it all, at the very core of what they do is us. And us being
Yes.
together with them.
Yes.
So parang
I love
may
that.
I'll
ganun
always
siyang-
be with you.
Yun! There you go. I'll
Nakakakilig.
always
English
be...
siya, girl. Hindi siya
English
Korean.
siya, girl! Hindi siya Korean! Hindi siya Korean. Sorry kasi, alam mo yun.
Although
I'm
si
just-
Hoshi nagsabi nun. But anyway.
Oh,
Hindi
the
ba si
high
Ike
note.
yun? Oo,
Si
kaming high
Hoshi
note
yun
niya.
as our main
So,
vocal
yun.
era.
Ayun. So, ayun. So, parang ko like, oh my God. Okay, for me. And then watching the music video, okay, in a way, it made a lot of sense na. Kasi parang, gusto ko rin na parang yung setup din kasi nung music video, for me, aside from it being like a futuristic setup, yung dating kasi parang nasa loob sila ng music. Diba? Parang stereo, nasa loob sila. Mini sila, in contrast to like, yung mga big play buttons, ganun. So parang at the
Yeah.
end of it all, whatever you hear from whatever method or whatever medium you use, we are at the very core of it. Ganun. And then like the whole AI thing for me, and kasi may yung dating sa akin ng AI-ness of it, is yun nga, parang they're controlling the AI. So parang kumbaga, pag ninanarrow down ka lang, ano bang AI? Future. Okay. So they're in control of their future. In control of the dogs.
Okay.
Parang the machines are, kumbaga, parang dancing with them and not against them. So, may ganun akong na-feel about it MV-wise. So, yun. But in general, for the song, I guess, parang na-enjoy ko naman siya. Parang very powerful siya. And parang I think for me, it has the same vibe as Super nga. Yung parang kumbaga yung
Yeah.
flow nung song, di ba parang
Yeah.
sa Super kasi parang meron din siya towards the end na yung parang binibreak niya yung melody or I don't know the technical terms of this. And then here kasi it had that with the dance break. Yung parang nag-change bigay yung tempo and all that. But yung na-realize ko, like listening to it all again and knowing na parang yung point din ng song is combining everything. And as they did, they combined different parts of their own songs
Yes.
into this
Yeah.
into this
Correct.
song.
7? Was it 7 or 9
7
songs?
songs? Oh, parang ganon. Parang ang sabi dito, Adore You, Adjunice, Oh My, Fear,
Yes.
Rock With You, Cheers, Super. So, different samples from those songs. And then, when you listen to the song, so, di ba, ang daming parts nung song itself. Alam mo yun, in a way nga, medyo choppy siya. But I guess, ano na siya, trend na ngayon or something. Medyo choppy siya. Pero pag nung dulo, which is my favorite part, actually, of the song, the latter part, dance break onwards, biglang lahat nung parts nung song, doon nagmimix. So, yung metronome sound, like yung melody.
Yung bass ng
and
Adore
all.
You.
Yung bass, oo. Biglang nandun na sila lahat sa dulo. And, yun. Kaya, for me, ang ganda lang talaga nung latter part. As a song, it's good for me naman, but, I mean, not high up there. Like, I think Super is still better made
Yes.
for me,
Yes.
honestly,
Same.
than Maestro. Meron din siyang parang, kahit na may mga high parts, para it still feels a little bit flat. Not flat naman. I think that's the wrong word. But it feels a little steady
Yeah.
lang. Alam mo, until the
Yeah.
very end. And the very end is the
Yes.
one that really picks up the song. Parang ganun. Ayun.
Yeah.
Yun lang yung ano ko about the
Super-
song.
Yeah.
Super agree with both of you. And actually, because of your insights, parang lalong nabuo yung parang thoughts ko sa utak ko. Well, actually, number one, ang iniisip ko, sana wala na lang teaser. Feeling ko ma-appreciate ko siya kung
I
hindi
think
nila
so too.
masyadong tinis yung AI, no? Parang,
Oo.
I feel like that
Na-confuse
spoiled the
talaga ako dun.
experience. Right?
Oo.
Kasi parang, because of that, we didn't see it in the MV. Wala siyang robots, okay, AI ba yun? Kasi parang I'm thinking of AI in terms of music, na parang we already know what AI can do in terms of music.
Yeah.
I was hoping that we could see that in the song na naglalabanan. Ito yung nagagawa ng AI, pero ito yung nagagawa ng maestro as Woozi.
Oo.
Parang walang ganun eh. Pero like, if you make it stand alone as it is, song-wise, because of what you also explained, Trans, na parang it all came together in the end, like all these different elements, yung mga sample and all of that, okay, nagigets ko kung yung pagiging maestra niya. Pero nasan yung AI?
Ayun nga eh.
Nakakalito lang siya. Sana hindi na lang. Kasi maestro in itself is strong enough because we already know
Yeah.
na sila talaga yung maestro. Woozi and, well, all of 17.
That's
Yeah.
true.
So, para same lang din sa akin. This is not my favorite comeback ever since my first comeback as a Carrot, which is Darling. Na parang feeling ko kasi since Darling, pataas ng pataas ng pataas ng pataas yung
Oo.
pagkagusto ko ng mga comeback nila. And then this one kind of fell a little bit flat. And also, I guess part of me, I don't know, pero part of me feels minadali siya in many ways.
It does feel that. Yeah.
No? Parang with the
Even-
song, with the MV. Kasi yung mga concepts na hindi nila na-flesh out ng maayos, which is also what Monica mentioned. Yun lang, nakakabitin siya.
Either minadali or sobrang daming nilatag na hindi nila natutukan. Parang ganon.
Oo.
Kasi even the album in itself, I mean, aside from the new songs that we got, so, you know, we got an anthology of other past stuff, diba? So that's an idea. That's one idea. And then, yun nga, the song idea, them coming up with music videos per unit songs is also another idea. Tapos, those music videos pa na iba-ibang konsepto, another iba-ibang idea. Alam mo yun? Parang biglang suddenly ang daming ideas, which is great. I mean, hello.
Yes.
Talaga, nagko-complain tayo and dami nga nilang binibigay na content sa atin.
Correct.
With 17 and all that stuff. By now, we should be used to it. But I guess siguro ang difference lang is hindi siya, yun nga, it felt like hindi sila na-flesh out individually. Kaya parang sana I would have preferred lessening the plan so that natutukan nila yung kung ano man yung
Yes.
natira kesa sa yun nga parang biglang parang na-feel ko talaga na natambakan ako ng stuff.
Yeah.
ng so many things to watch
Yeah.
na pinapanood ko naman pero alam mo yun parang okay lang naman ako kung hindi pero maganda. Alam mo yun?
Oo. And the thing is kasi, the reason why we are reacting like this is because we were already so spoiled. Nakita na natin yung parang pinaka-peak. I mean, I feel like Sonogong, of course, was super peak.
Yeah.
And then it was followed up with God of Music that went to
Yeah.
a totally different direction. But still, as in, it's
Yeah.
up there for me. And then biglang ganito. So, Carrots, baka mga... Kung iba yung opinion nyo, let us know. Mag-comment kayo pag-usapan natin. Baka naman may iba pang perspective na hindi namin nakikita.
In all fairness for me, siguro dahil right now kasi hindi ako super babad nga ng 17 to be honest, parang pero it felt now that we're talking about it, like how did it feel for me having all these parang compilation siya. Hindi siya kumbaga hindi siya pinasa sa atin as what they did in previous years na for example like Darling, alam mo yun, parang oh my god, may something going on, it's gonna be big. Pero ito kasi parang hinayaan lang nilang pumasok. Parang may ganun akong na-feel. Or is it because hindi ako hyper-aware?
Parang medyo gets ko yung sinasabi mo. Kasi somehow, even though well-promoted naman to, pero parang hindi ko siya masyadong na-feel nga. Unlike, like when they were talking about Sonogong coming, you remember in that episode, we were saying na nafe-feel mo that they're so proud of this song. They're so proud of the video. Kasi they keep on mentioning it even in their Weavers live and posts na this is something you've never seen before, blah blah blah. Parang alam mo yun, you can tell that they're also very very excited for what they came up with. Na they did naman. I mean, syempre of course they would still, hype us up and say that this is gonna be great, blah blah blah. Another yung lagi na lang sinasabi na you will be seeing a different kind of 17.
Correct.
Like, ang linyahan ng lahat ng mga idol groups sa Truth. Pero ito, parang hindi ko masyadong naramdaman or hindi ko alam kung dahil hindi lang din ako nagpe-pay attention. Pero iba kasi yung Sonogong Kasi yung ramdam mo na parang, something's coming. Para may ganun talaga siya.
Super gets. Gosh. Again, sa mga carrots na iba yung opinion sa amin, let us know, pag-usapan natin. Baka sakaling meron kaming mga hindi nakikita. But, as we mentioned, aside from the title track, ito na yung matagal na rin hinihintay ng mga tao na magkaroon naman ng MVs ulit, yung mga different units. Bakit ba performance unit lang yung unit para sa akin? Yun lang yung lumalabas sa bibig ko Ano ba yan?
Ako tinatanong, alam natin kung bakit.
Ay, nako. Horang he. Okay. So, umpisahan muna natin first listen bago tayo pumunta sa MV. So, nung una niyo pinakinggan yung 3 unit songs, what songs stood out to you guys? Ikaw naman mauna, Trency.
In general, actually, just to add din, parang when I listened to all the 4 songs, natuwa ako, sa totoo. Kasi parang I felt this is their most, parang, may fullness yung mga songs ngayon na wala before. Gets. Parang unang thought ko, parang mature. May maturity about these songs that they put out this time around. So parang, honestly, alam mo more than, kunyari, FML, mas gusto ko pa tong follow-ups na to compared to that. So, ayun. So, which is why I'm actually very happy na may say-say din silang music videos.
Yeah.
So, at least, like, we can really see how they envision this, hindi lang musically, but also, like, as a performance. And then, for me, of all the 3, ang pinaka nag-stand out talaga sa akin, because as a vocal unit bias. Because, my love is there, and because I love him so much. Wait, sorry, can I just add na parang feeling ko nagbago na yung relationship namin ni DK. Na parang, sobrang solid na niya, na okay na para sa kanya na mabias strike ako ni Wonu.
Oh my gosh.
Parang pag sabihin ko sa kanya, DK, grabe,
Twins
bias strike na ako ni Wonu. Oo. O kaya ko nang sabihin sa kanya na, oy, binabias strike ako ni Wonu. Dati kasi hindi Kasi parang feeling ko, pag sabihin ko, ma-hurt siya. Ngayon, alam niya na parang, kahit anong mangyari, kami pa din.
Babalik ka naman sa kanya.
Oo, sa kanya pa rin ako babalik. At sa kanyang leg. At kanyang arm muscles. Okay. So,
Cheers
for
to
me,
youth.
cheers to youth talaga. Yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. Kasi,
Bakit?
parang, yun nga, as I mentioned kanina, parang may fullness. And I think yung song na to is the fullest for me, musically. Like, when I listen to it, parang ang daming nangyayari. And parang ang daming interweaving of, like, elements na nakakatuwa. And it just made so much sense. And maybe because for me, parang at this point in my life, I'm looking for something parang na medyo mas melodious, healing, soft teen. Alam mo yun? I just love my soft teen. Alam mo yun? So,
Me
parang
too.
yung start pa lang, yung may mga piano sa start, and then biglang may brass segment. Alam mo yun, ang ganda.
Yes. I love it.
Isa pa.
You know what I thought of that
Yun.
the first time I heard that? I really imagined like an OBB of an old sitcom. Parang ganon.
Oo,
Yun nga,
Tapos
exactly.
nakikita ko yung mga mukha nila.
Oo,
Tapos sabi yun,
correct.
DK as DK. Tapos may
Tapos
smile
tatawa
na
sila.
ganon. Ay,
True enough, may
ganon.
Polaroid sa dulo. True enough, may Polaroids nga sa dulo. So, parang may ganun vibe.
Correct. I love
Actually,
it.
now that you mentioned it, medyo nostalgic nga siya for me. Yung
Sobra.
tunog niya, it just sounds very old TV show, youth-oriented
Yes.
kind of vibe.
Correct.
Na-imagine ko
I
pa nga
love
na
it.
parang it's for 25-21. Alam mo, pwede siyang ganun.
Oo.
Pwede siyang may
Oo, yung
ganun
mga
siyang-
period.
ganun
Period
siyang-
na yun ngayon eh.
period, correct.
Yung mga
Period film.
time nung mga panahon ng Cheers. O, di ba? Napakaluma nun. The TV show
Cheers!
Grabe naman,
Guys,
sobrang luma
hindi
naman
yung
Cheers.
song, pero
Napaisip ako, Monica. Hindi pa tayo
Oo
buhay
nga
nun.
eh.
To be
Hindi pa
fair,
yung
hindi
Cheers.
natin siya era. Pero gets yung ganong vibe. Yung tipong
gets.
Friends. Yung Cheers
Oo,
kasi yun yung
oo.
nauna before Friends eh. So,
Oo.
pero dahil may
Correct.
pagka-retro vibes yung tunog ng Cheers to Youth,
Oo.
mas na
Associate mo siya dun sa-
na-associate ko siya sa
Gets.
older Friends.
Oo,
Parang
sa
ganon.
Cheers. Correct.
ikaw naman, Mon, sa mga first listen sa songs.
Spell. As a performance unit. Loyalist.
May kanya-kanya
Tsaka.
tayo.
Hindi naman. Ang ganda eh. Parang, well, definitely, parang lagi, actually, yung performance unit, lagi talaga nila tayong sinuseduce, basically.
Correct.
Actually, oo nga. Alam mo,
Diba?
sila lang ang
That's the
gapang
thing.
unit for me.
Oo.
Oo,
Pero
sobra.
at least,
Gapang
hindi
unit
siya-
yung music.
Diba? Pero hindi siya levels ng I Do Believe. Kasi yun talaga, as in, drop to the floor. What the hell?
Oo.
Like, stop it. As in,
Oo.
kulang na lang. Ayoko. Wag po, as in, ganon.
Wow, girl.
Wow.
Di naman. Di naman
Tatanggi
wag
ka
po.
pa.
Torpe? Torpe ba?
Pero parang ayoko mag-sin, ganon.
Sin? Kasi masyadong bata.
Hindi yan
Uy, okay,
sin.
yun naman
Tapos
sila.
gaganon si Juno, parang, anyway. Parang yung spell, there was something about it. And you know what? I think I was definitely moved by, I guess, kasi yun din yung uso. It was very Latin Afrobeat. I mean, yung
Correct.
kind of rhythm.
Yes.
So, it was, wala lang, hindi ko alam. Parang na-feel ko lang siya and then sak siya. Kasi, but more of, kaya ko siya naisip na yun yung pinakagusto ko. And this is out of the four. I like it even more than Maestro, ganon. Kasi, parang yung Lalali, at the time, nung first listen,
Yes.
it just also felt like fire, which I loved. Parang nabuhos ko
Oo.
lahat ng pagmamahal ko sa ganong klaseng tunog sa fire. Kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero na-obsess talaga ako sa kantang yon. Kasi even before we saw them perform it live. Alam mo yon. Anyway, so Lalali, it sounded great naman. Pero, yun nga, parang okay lang. Parang ganun lang din ako. And then, ang napansin, na-realize ko rin, may sakit din ako sa, what do you call this? Vocal unit. Vocal unit songs, usually, yung first listen, sila yung least kong nagugustuhan.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Okay.
But, the moment I see them perform it live, change. As in, dati,
Okay.
kunwari, Come to Me, di ko yun iniisip, pinwheel,
Oo.
di ko siya pinapansin. I'm not kidding.
Oh my God!
But the moment
Mas
I
gusto
saw
ko
them,
silang napapakinggan kaysa napapanood live, actually.
talaga
Actually.
ako, baliktad.
Oo.
Ang gusto ko
The
sila ng
moment I
live.
saw them
Gusto ko
perform
sila
it,
live, pero
the moment I saw them perform
Yeah.
it, like, especially Come to Me, like, as in,
Why?
it shot up talaga to my top songs. I don't know. I really,
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
understand it.
Yeah.
Too. But, ayun, parang ganon. So, I felt the same way with Cheers to Youth also. Although, this one was a little bit high, medyo umap siya. Kasi nga, because of the OBB sound. Kasi natuwa ako sa pagka-retro vibes niya and all that. Pero iba talaga yung spell eh. Parang gusto mo lang gumiling-giling. And,
Correct.
sorry, pero natutuwa talaga ako sa vocal
Prowess?
appraisal. Is that the term? Parang angat talaga yung ang galing kasi ng vocal powers ni Hochi siya ni Dino ngayon. As in, may
Yes.
level talaga sila. As in,
Yes.
so natutuwa
Main
ako
vocal era.
na, alam mo yon in Spell, you can hear it talaga. I mean,
Yes.
Yogi Ocean View pa lang si Dino nagsimula. Siyempre,
Oo.
yung pa lang, check na yon. Okay,
Oo.
favorite song.
Correct.
And then, yun nga, with Hoshi, parang you can really hear them. And then parang you can, ako na-feel ko lang, parang, I'm sure matagal na nilang inuunap na itong tunog ko, ito yung charm ng boses ko. Pero ngayon kasi talagang ginagamit nila to their full extent, full
Capacity.
power, full
Yes.
capacity na ang ganda-ganda lang. Parang,
Yes.
dati kasi, they have to adapt to the song. Now, it's the song adapting to them. Parang ganun.
It's
To their
catered to them kung
vocals.
ano yung kaya
Oo.
nila.
Parang ganon.
Yes.
So, kaya tuntua ako sa Spell. And even
Yes.
with ano din naman, syempre, The 8 and June. Kasi, sorry, I'm not hating on them, but I've always thought that they are one of the vocally, hindi naman weak, pero alam mo yon, parang hindi sila
Yeah.
yung pinaka-powerful. Pero,
Aminado naman sila that they worked
Oo.
hard on it.
yeah. Pero yun nga, with Spell, parang nafe-feel mo, I don't know, mas nafe-feel ko rin
Yes.
yung angatness nila. So, kaya gustong-gusto ko yung Spell. But like, wala pa yon sa when we first saw them perform it. Iba pa yon, diba?
Oo.
So this is
Oo.
just the
Oo.
first listen
Yes.
reaction.
Yes.
So,
Ako,
ayun.
ako as, again, performance unit bias, ako baliktad ako actually. Kasi yung Spell, I felt it was so much sexier than I Don't Understand But I Love You. When I first listened to it, ito talaga yung parang, na-feel ko na parang, iba. Basta, parang ang daming scenarios in my head. Na
Agree.
parang merong mga kurti-kurtina, may nag-ready. As in, ganon. Parang iba talaga
Parang
yung
yun
dating
nga
sa akin
eh.
ng Spell.
Yun yung vibe
As in,
niya,
nung
cortina vibe siya.
Di ba? Parang
Oo.
nung pinakinggan ko siya, oh my gosh, parang yung I Don't Understand But I Love You, ito yung parang tantric level. Ay, yung feeling ko sa kanya. As in, so parang ito talaga, I was so excited for this song. Pero ako naman, baliktad din kay Mon, is that yung hip-hop unit na songs lagi yung least favorite ko. Monster lang yung ever nagustuhan ko on first listen. So Lalali yung pinaka-least favorite ko. Next yung Cheers to Youth because of the happy vibe. So yun yung ano ko for these songs. So ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa mga MV. Ready na
Ayan
ba tayo
na.
dito?
Mahaba-habang
Okay.
usapan to.
Okay, so umpisahan na natin ang mga music video. Ang pinakauna nilang ni-release is Lalali. Okay, so ano naman ang thoughts ninyo sa Lalali? Go, Monica,
Ano?
ilabas mo yan.
I am obsessed. So, diba, I started with, oh my God, I started with, kailang Lalali, like, you know, listening to it for the first
Listening.
time. But
Yeah.
my God, total 360 talaga the moment I saw the music video. As in, what the toot? As in talaga, what is this? As in, I know I'm obsessed with something or I'm like just absolutely in love with something. Kasi the moment it dropped, siguro pinanood ko siya 3 times, dire-diretso agad. Na with pausing. Tapos parang, as in may mga ganong reaction. Talaga. Tapos screen cap after that. As in, para gawin ko siyang mga wallpapers, desktop wallpaper and all that stuff. As in, and then,
Desktop reveal sa Instagram stories. Okay.
tapos as in talagang even just everything about it was perfect. And then doon ko lang naintindihan talaga yung kanta pala na ang Lalali, which is Nalali in Korean. I mean, it sounds closer to Nalali or Nalari. It means rebellious person, I don't give a fuck person kind of situation, which we saw in the music video kasi what we saw was
Yes.
basically them just being whatever, doing whatever they want. Tapos,
Yes.
alam mo yon, talagang like, I don't care, I'm gonna do whatever. Tapos, naka-pattern siya after. It really felt close to our childhood. Kasi na-feel ko talaga, naalala ko talaga yung mga kinalakihan nating mga music videos before.
Yes.
Of yung mga, nakalimutan ko na yung mga pangalan nila. Yung mga Beastie
Beastie
Boys.
Boys.
Yeah.
Oo.
Mga Beastie
Slipknot,
Boys
ganyan.
type.
Creed.
When you are with me. Check out.
Ganun pala.
Yung ganon. Kasi di ba yung mga, what do you call this? Yung hip-hop rap songs of the day. Ganon
Yes.
yung mga tema ng
90s,
mga
early
music ng mga
2000s.
90s.
Yes.
Ganon yung mga tema
Correct.
nila. Yung parang naka-handicam lang sila tapos they just create riot on the streets, do whatever they want. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Usually, meron yung bat, merong kotse, kasi dati
Correct.
uso yung mga drive-by. By the way, by the way, kids, back in the day, kung merong mga gangsta talaga yung mga rappers. Kung meron sila beef sa isa't isa, drive-by shootout siya. Unfortunately.
Drive-by shootout.
It was horrible. Ngayon, na lang distract, release.
Diba?
Alam mo yun?
Let's go, Drake.
Diba? Exactly. Diba? Up to date. So,
As a Gen Z.
so, nag-wild talaga yung utak ko kasi I saw
Yes.
my childhood to these children. What children? To these hot men.
Yes. So hot.
Super duper hot men. Just creating havoc in their individual scenes and in their group scenes.
Yes.
I was so obsessed that on the same night, I made a thread of like stuff that I saw.
Yes,
Like,
check
of
out
the
X.
Yes, check out our Twitter. It's still there, and we'll retweet it also. We'll repost it also once this episode is put out. Ano yun, minatch ko yung mga nakita kong eksena na familiar to the old 90s music videos nga of before and all that. And plus just the details. Like, I just love it when like a production design is just so yummy and juicy. And then it started with Vernon's set of her and him in his Halmoni Den. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Like, that's fantastic. I mean, it's like the typical Halmoni bedroom that we see in the K-dramas with those yung mga inlay cabinetry that we see na alam natin na napaka-probinsya nun or napaka-traditional, and then we see these grandmas like doing like some dancing going on, tapos merong naka-set up na turntable and just like being nagmamaka-wild. Pero hindi,
Yes.
kasi mga grannies yung kasama nila, and then cut to Mingyu na ganun din, tapos naglalaro sila ng Go. So, yung ganung initial reaction was like, what the hell? I can't believe they're doing this. It's just crazy. It's just a lot of fun. And then by the third play, ma-realize mo na, nakakonect pala tong mga to sa lyrics nila kasi napipick up mo na yung mga pinagsasabi nila. Alam mo yun, like, the Go scene of Mingyu, yun yung linya niya kasi na something like, parang basically, something about the world being able to, parang being big in the world already. Eh, di ba ang Go game, it's a territorial game. So, parang ang app na yun yung eksena niya. Tapos, not to mention, there's like a big-ass globe behind him. Tapos, may
Yes.
pakis pa siya, alam mo yun, and all that.
Correct.
And one was so cute with this gangsta era talaga. I mean, it
Yeah.
started already in Maestro and then kinontinue lang dito. Tapos tayo pa as K-drama fans, nakita na natin yan, mga Kim Doki
course.
looks, alam mo yun?
Oo.
With a ponytail and all that na ang cute-cute lang. As in, sobrang tuwang-tuwang-tuwa ako. As in, parang, ito talaga yung mga gusto kong music video na sometimes kasi hindi kailangan ng sobrang daming meaning. I mean, they're great kung maraming meaning. But minsan kasi parang pag simple lang siya. I think the concept is actually simple. And then they just piled up like the ideas that what can help this simple idea. And made it fun and made it visually appealing and did it so well. Tapos, syempre, lalo si Song Chol, yung may pakindat pa siya na, my God. Ang
Oh my God, ang daming namatay, guys.
Oo, I know,
Grabe.
R.I.P.
Ang daming
Parang-
panty na laglag.
Correct. Parang they performed their role so well na parang, ang ganda-ganda
Hindi
lang
mention yung
talaga.
nakahubad na Mingyu? Parang kayo na ba
syempre,
hinihintay?
oo.
Oo nga. Highlight.
Ayun eh,
Sa
dami
totoo lang,
namatay dun
hindi-
eh.
Sa sobrang love ko yung music video, yun nga, hindi ko na masyadong pinansin eh. Syempre napag-cast din ako. But gets,
Oo.
parang as a whole, love na love ko yung konsepto, yung how they shot it, how it was edited, everything about it. It was like perfect. It was the kind of music video that I love and miss doing, and I was so happy that it was the first thing that they released in the unit songs nga, kasi parang it put us in an expectation pedestal. So, parang lalo akong na-excite sa mga next music videos that were gonna be released afterwards.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Transia.
Ang masasabi ko lang is, parang it's that music video that matches the song perfectly
Yes.
well.
Yes.
As in,
Yes.
parang na-mention na nga ni Mon kanina yung parang pinaka-thesis word ko for them, havoc. As in talagang parang it's
Yes.
just very boisterous and rambunctious and alam mo yun,
Yes.
in your face. And it's basically what the song is. Alam mo yun, they're telling us na we are already here. Alam mo yun, medyo connect nga siya ng konti sa Maestro in terms of thought, song-wise. Na parang, alam mo yun, medyo mic drop moment nila to na parang like, andito na
Correct.
kami, wala na kayong magagawa, you can't compete with us. Alam mo yun, na parang the serve.
Yes.
Andiyan na kayo, kaya go for it. And it's just a
Yes.
fun thing to watch. Sobrang agree with everything that Mon said. Sobrang saya lang niya panoorin. And pivotal talaga for me, na para ako like, I have not seen this, I think, in a K-pop music video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially yung point na sumakay si Mingyu sa motorboat at nag-speedboat siya along hand
Correct.
with like a slew of other people behind him. Para ko like, mic drop moment. Alam mo yun?
Diba?
Ayaw naming mag-rent ng
Tapos ang ganda pa
speedboat.
ng camera, panning na gano'n, na parang
And
nagmukhang
also,
cool
like,
lang. Oo,
correct.
parang bad
Is
boys.
that so?
Bad boys.
Is that a normal
Yes.
thing sa Han River na wala man lang nakapansin na may ganaps na ganito?
Diba?
Ganun ba kadalas
Or
ang mga
baka ibang
shooting
river?
of that level?
Baka lang
Kasi ibang river sila. Han River
Oo.
talaga yun. I guess so.
oo.
Baka, talagang gano'n na sila kataas. Na parang kaya na nilang pahintuin lahat ng traffic sa Han River. Han River na to, ha?
Oh, sorry
Para
Han River
magkaroon ng
Police,
ganun.
tabi.
Oo, sorry Han River Police. Importante si Mingyu. So, ayun, sobrang, it's just a whole lot of fun yun. And, like,
Yes.
ang saya lang din nilang panoorin, I think, parang yung part na nakaupo sila, magkahilera sila. Tapos yung parang nag-aanuhan lang sila. Yung mukha talaga silang mga, like, alam mo yun, mga Kanto Boys. May ganun vibe pa rin eh. Alam mo, yun, Kanto
Correct.
Boys vibe pa din. Na
Yes.
sobrang fun. Mga Kanto Boys na alam nila na parang, we got it. We got it.
Yes.
We got your panties in our pockets.
Yes. Correct.
Yun ang sabi nila. So,
May collection
yeah.
sila.
So much
super
fun.
duper agree sa inyo. And siguro just to add na lang sa sobrang grabing dami explosion sa utak ko, the thing about hip-hop unit as well is that nasa kanila talaga yung mga face card. I'm sorry, I love performance unit, I love vocal unit, ang popogi nyo lahat, pero iba kasi yung face card ng hip-hop unit. Pag nagsama-sama yung apat na ulo na yun sa screen, wala. Wala na.
Diba?
Tapos na guys, tapos na talaga.
Tapos asta pa nila yung ganon.
Ganyan,
Oo.
di ba? Na alam na, tapos, okay, ito yung kailangan ko. My husband, who is a Hoshi and Woozy bias,
Aha.
ay ngayon, because of this MV, Wonu bias na po siya.
Alam mo, yes.
Was it the ponytail?
Sobra. Alam mo, super.
It was so funny. Sorry. Ito lang. It was so funny because the moment na parang napansin niya si Wonu, actually lately he's been talking about Wonu a lot, pero sabi niya, nandito na siya sa level na yung behind the scenes, pinanood na niya, ako hindi ko pa napapanood. Sabi niya,
Aw.
alam mo
love
kasi babe, si Wonu parang 'di ba, parang nakikipaglaban siya, ganyan. Tapos nung cut na, biglang Shasamnida. Tapos nagsasalita, thank you. Tapos ang bait-bait na. Pero kasi, that was a perfect way to describe everybody na hip-hop unit.
Yeah,
Ganun
yeah.
sila, yabang nila. Pero pag cut,
Correct.
okay, sorry po. Di ba si Song Chol, nung ginanon niya yung ulo
Oh,
nung
yung egg.
actor, tapos
Oo,
after,
I'm sure.
sorry po. Di ba? Ganon.
Tapos binigyan niya ng
Oo.
pera.
Actually, feeling ko rin yun yung charm dun sa kanila. I mean, itong video na to. Kasi ang asta nila gangsta. Alam mo yun? Drive by, I'm gonna beat you up. But they're actually the softest. The softies of the group.
Cute
They're
gangsta nga.
Cute. Oo.
Oo.
Parang sweet
Ano
nila.
sasabihin mo tungkol kay Wonu Trency? Dagdagan
Hindi,
mo yung
ang
pagpa-fanboy
gusto
ng
ko lang
asawa ko.
Sabihin, yung part ni Wonu, yung gangsta Wonu na siya. Ito yung may way of rapping na si Wonu eh. Pero favorite ko talaga yung rap solo niya dito.
Oh my
yung
gosh.
sumisigaw
Oo.
siya. Yung parang ako like,
yes,
ako talaga, oh my God, please, sigawan mo lang ako, Wonu. Sigawan mo lang ako. Wala akong pake.
I can't believe I forgot to mention that. I realized too that this is like my favorite like hip-hop unit song because I have never heard one who raps so hard.
Exactly.
As in,
Exactly.
Alam mo, may iba kay Wonu talaga ngayon.
Wow.
There's
Grabe, it's
something-
Wonu's era.
It's a Wonu
Super.
era. As in, medyo intense.
Grabe.
Intense, parang may pagkaano siya ngayon. May pagka-animal. Feel
No,
you ba?
but yes. Yes.
Diba? May ganun eh.
Yes.
Yung parang dati kasi parang feeling mo hindi kanya kayang suntukin. Ngayon mukhang kaya na niyang manuntok.
Oo.
May ganun siya. Tapos suntukin mo ako, Wonu. Tapos halikan mo rin ako.
Oo, pagkatapos. Sigawan mo ako.
Or
Tapos
sabay.
mamaya.
Paano?
So medyo blessed
Sigaw,
tayo
tapos
kasi,
yakap from
correct, kasi meron silang paparating na single,
Yes, with
Yes.
Jongan. May unit
Oo.
sila.
and
One hand.
Jongan.
Yes.
So we're gonna see, mukhang may iba na naman tayo makikitang Wonu.
Correct.
Very, very soon.
exciting
It's
for all the Wonu
exciting.
stans.
Oh my
And
gosh.
Yeah.
actually, because of this MV, naging Lalali na yung favorite ko na song. Sorry
Alam
naman
mo,
sa spell.
oh.
Tsaka sa Cheers
Super
Please.
agree.
But nagbago talaga siya para sa
Ako
akin.
rin. Ako
Ito
rin.
talaga.
As
Number one.
Mm-mm.
Oo. At dahil dyan, sandali, masyado na tayong mahaba sa HHU. May dalawa pa tayong unit na pag-uusapan. Madami pa tayong makikitang mga carrots bukas and sa susunod, kausapin natin sila. Pero
Yes.
mag-move on muna tayo sa next. Ang aming bias unit ni Monica, ang naglabas ng MV ng Spell. O, ikaw na mauna, Trency, bilang kami naman ang bias
Mang
dito.
masabi natin sa spell.
Ano namang maiisip mo sa Spell?
I
Pinanood
think
mo ba?
Pinanood ko ng maraming beses, so I can
talaga?
answer my question. What is it all about? Which is the biggest question of this music video. I think nung Lalali kasi, 'di ba, na it's just a perfect music video for the song.
For the song.
For me,
Yes.
Lalali, for me, it's this very soft, hypnotic, sensual song. It's that kind of song. Alam mo yun?
Spell.
Pag pinapakinggan mo siya,
Oo.
yung gapangan nito, yung nga, mga curtains,
Oo,
yung
oo.
slow, alam mo yun, parang
Oo.
puro oily kayo,
Oo.
ganon.
Correct.
Slinky, ganong klaseng
Oo.
ano.
Oo.
But, I didn't feel that in the music video. I mean, ang daming
Yes.
details. And we've talked about this in detail, in a very long chat conversations.
Yes.
But there's just a disconnect for me in general with the song and the music video. So it just didn't
Yes.
vibe. Alam mo yun, the
Yeah.
sensuality is lost. The sexiness of it is lost. Alam mo yun, parang
Yeah.
it could have been very intensely sensual feeling. Yung talagang parang may nagki-creep sa leeg mo. Pero while I was watching it just felt a little too pushed. Parang, I mean, we know naman kasi yung concept nila, tarot, di ba? Tarot,
Oo.
cards, and
Mystical.
yun. And like, mystical, mystique, and all that stuff. And like, yung mga imageries in the tarot, that's what they latched on to when they were like doing their visuals and stuff. But, I think they took it too literally. Parang masyadong literal lahat. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Except
Oo.
yung iceberg. Nagawa sa styrofoam.
I hate that so much.
I cannot take it.
I
Oh my
wanna
God. Where to even
cry.
begin with, oh my God. Kaya yun, I think yun lang. Ayoko na, ang dami kasing details of this song na masarap initpick kasi it just didn't make sense. But in general, it's just a disconnect between the music and the video. So I'd
Yeah.
hope na it could have been more tuhog with regards to that. But unfortunately,
Yes.
too many ideas, too many people pitching
Yeah.
their thoughts,
Yeah.
no one running the show. So it
Correct.
felt that way.
Go, Mon.
Where to
Naiyak
even
ako.
begin?
I know, where to begin?
Natulala
Oh my
na siya.
gosh.
Oo.
Like, ang alam ko, ang naalala ko, ang una kong linya sa group chat after it was released, ako lang ba or nakakatawa tong music video? Followed by, bakit nawala yung sexiness?
Oo.
Kasi, yun nga, everything, Trency pretty much said it all na. Kasi parang, lalo na dahil nakita natin, they performed this kasi in Seoul. So, we saw them
Yes.
do it with a choreo, which is like the sexiest choreo. And what I love
Yes.
about
Thank
it,
you,
choreographed
Kirsten.
by,
Kirsten
Kirsten.
Dodson by Jam Republic.
yeah, yeah. And what I loved about the choreo din kasi, it wasn't the fanciest. Like yung ganon.
Yes.
It wasn't the fanciest choreo, but it was so perfect. It was so simple, but alam mo yung it captured the emotion. Even I saw the behind the scenes MV. of the MV, si Dino and si Hoshi, nag-climax when they were monitoring their performance, when they were doing that part. Nag-climax yung dalawa, as in si Dino talaga as in gumanon talaga siya.
Ay,
Kasi sobrang
girl,
favorite nila
stuff
yung
for
part
dreams and fantasies.
Damn.
Damn.
Tayo. Kasi sobrang favorite nila yung ganun. And I think, I feel like it's everyone's favorite too. Yung ganun-ganun nila. Na, kasi para, yun nga, it was like such a simple movement, but it captured the song. And, syempre, leading up to the release of the video, that's all I was imagining. In fact, at most, kasi diba they released yung parang teaser thumbnails of the music videos coming, and then I saw that there was a beach. Although may nakita na akong tent, tas medyo nag-alanganin na ako kasi parang, I mean, bakit may tent? Ano to? May may mahuhula or something? Kasi spell yung pangalan ng title ng song or
Doesn't even
something.
make sense kasi manghuhula
Diba?
siya. Bakit
Kaya
mo
nga
hindi
eh.
mo nagsispell yung manghuhula?
Hindi siya mangkukulam. Ang
Oo, hindi siya
mangkukulam ang
mangkukulam.
nagsispell.
Correct. Pero nakita ko yung
Oh.
beach. So at most, ini-imagine ko, alam mo yun, nagsasway lang sila sa beach, which would make sense because like the song opens the Yogi Ocean view nga. Alam mo yun, the song is so, it's like you're riding with a wave and just
like the
riding
waves
on
are
its
caressing you.
sensuality.
Yes.
So parang medyo may simple, may simple beat lang siya going eh. But like, basically, what we got was, what's that? Ano yun? Alam mo yung nung bata tayo, yung mga trapper keeper na makulay.
Lisa Frank?
Lisa Frank. Para we got the Lisa Frank. Parang na-feel ko yung ganun. Kasi ang daming kinang. Actually, okay lang ako sa kinang. I love kinang. Alam mo yun? Sinabi rin natin, sobrang ganda ng costume, sobrang ganda ng makeup. I also like the dancers' outfits. I thought they looked really, really good and they were parang well thought of, alam mo yun? I really like that pattern, yung parang tie-dyed na ikat na thing going on na ganon. But anyway, I feel like they added a layer of story to the song, which was already a great story in itself. Kaya, nawala tayo sa song. Like, I wish, feeling ko, if they kept to, like, more subtle hints of spell, it would have worked. Like, I liked it. I really liked yung sa waterfall, kahit yung mga northern lights and all that stuff. Tapos nung sumasayaw sila. Nagustuhan ko naman yung mga ganong visuals eh. But I guess, it's also cause sumasayaw-sayaw nga sila. Parang nafe-feel mo nga yung sway nila to the song. And mas nafe-feel ko yung song pag mga ganong moments. Pero yun nga, nung sorry talaga, pero nagtarot-tarot sila, parang, that's another layer that I have to think about. Why are they knights? Especially me, na hindi ako super knowledgeable about tarots. I just know that they're mystical. Parang, but they're knights. I don't know, parang suddenly I now have to think about that or something. I don't know. Parang hindi ko na-appreciate yung may ganon when I wanted to focus on the song.
Exactly.
And nasayangan ako. But honestly, I wouldn't have minded like something tarot-like. Pero sana they didn't make it like super literal with the borders and all that. Kasi parang they had really nice backgrounds going eh. Like I remember parang there was this one frame na si Dino, naka-night siya noon. Tapos may magandang parang shades of blue and green na forest behind him. Basta visually, it was color-wise, it was pretty. It was nice. Masarap siya sa mata. So ayun nga, merong magandang background si Dino. So, para visually, ang sarap na niya sa mata. Pero the moment na makikita mo na yung mga detalye, na suddenly, masyadong detalyado. Parang masyado na siyang sumabog sa utak ko na parang, ayoko na. Parang, ayun, true enough. Nawala nga yung sexiness of the song in my head because I ended up thinking about those details. So I didn't appreciate it. Sorry. Not my favorite music video at all. But they were still, despite all this, kahit na yung first watch ko was a lot of, what the hell is going on? Ang laki pa rin ng smile ko kasi ang popogi pa rin nila.
That's so true.
Very true.
Yes. I have to agree. Like, visually, they all look so pretty. Glitter, glitter. Yes, glitter era, let's go. As in, sobrang feel ko. Ang ganda ng styling, ang ganda nilang tignan. At yun na. Parang, nainis ako eh. Kasi diba, parang yung sa hip-hop unit, they're there to rap. performance unit, why don't we just make them dance? Pero ang dami niya pang dinagdag.
Yeah,
Okay na
exactly.
buo na siya. Okay na, wag na nating lagyan ng kung ano-anong chenes na hindi talaga siya nag-work. As in, honestly, after Lalali, syempre sobrang ganda. Tapos sabi ko, oh my God, kailangan kong babaan yung expectations ko kasi tumataas na siya. I swear, binabaan ko na siya ng sobrang baba, pero na-disappoint pa rin ako. As in, parang, I swear, kaya nga parang, medyo, oh my gosh, nagigets ko kung ano yung gusto nilang puntahan, hindi siya nangyari. And para sa akin, sana hindi nyo nalang pinuntahan. Okay na, sumayaw na lang kayo, tas mag-sexy shots. Ang ganda na styling eh. Okay na yun.
Onting ganun lang, onting hold back lang. Yun
Hindi
lang
lang
naman.
onti, girl.
Oo.
Marami.
Okay, fine. Tanggalin
Parang
mo yung
isa
boat.
siyang malaking maraming ganun. Alam mo yun?
Diba?
Oo nga,
Enough
malaki-laki
na
din yung
eh.
iceberg na yun. Nabuisit na style. Nakakainis.
Sobra.
Kasi, maybe because of the choreo na kaya siguro mas tumaas din yung expectations natin dito.
Yeah.
Kasi sobrang fully formed and fleshed every step. As in, sobrang ang sarap-sarap panoorin, tas biglang naging ganun. And, speaking of this, okay, kailangan ko nang i-move ka agad sa pagbaba ng expectation ko. So, binaba ko na expectation ko. Sabi ko, oh no, vocal unit, ano naman mangyayari sa kanila? So, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang sa MV ng vocal unit, which is Cheers to Youth.
Cheers to you!
Yes. O sige, ako naman mauuna dito na lang
Yes.
sa Cheers to Youth. So, binabaan ko na masyado yung expectation ko. Nung lumabas talaga yung Cheers to Youth, it was just so fun and weird and touching. I loved it so much. It was so perfect. Like, yung MV from start to finish, the stories were all so clear. Alam mo kung saan siya
Yes.
papunta. And
Yeah.
then, sobrang cute pa nung shoutout to Hoshi at the end. Kinilig
Yeah.
ako
I
masyado.
know.
Parang, ano ba? It's so them. Like,
Correct.
kung paano mo
Yes.
isipan yung vocal unit, ganyan sila. Serious,
Yes.
paiyakin ka, pero at the heart of it, gusto lang nilang magpatawa. Parang,
Oo.
at the end of the day,
Correct.
weird lang talaga kami. As in,
Totoo.
sobrang captured dito. Kaya sobrang love ko siya. Okay,
Correct.
ikaw naman, Trancy, as the vocal unit bias.
Oh my God. Where do I begin? Actually, for me, it's just the perfect 17 soft teen music video.
It is.
Oh,
yeah.
It is
Yes.
just the perfect one. It's not their best music video, but it's very cohesive in thought, and it's just the right amount of detail. I mean, K-pop eh. K-pop is K-pop. K-pop talagang susukahan ka niya ng
Excessive.
excessive eh. Doon tayo.
Oo.
Pero sakto lang yung excess niya. And I think it all boils down to the fact na the music video is their own stories. That's how I felt. Kaya sobrang, it's even more touching na pinapanood mo siya kasi parang,
Iiyak ba
alam mo yung, iyak mo tayo. Alam mo yung individual stories nila. And it's also being sung in the song. It's also in the
Yeah.
song as well. So, nakakatuwa lang to see that. And, it's just, very, very touching and just fun and quirky and, alam mo yon, very, Studio Ghibli. May ganun pa kayong sumasakay ng
With the
bike si
goldfish.
Song Kwan with the goldfish. Very, very, ponyo, di ba?
Yeah.
May ganun siyang vibe. So, I just enjoyed that. And, I just want to share siguro, I'm sure some carats have already seen that. Tuntua kasi ako doon sa Polaroid towards the end. Nakakatawa kasi siya eh. Alam mo yun? Nakakatawa na touching. Alam mo yun? So, yung translations kasi dun sa Polaroid, so sinearch ko na rin siya. So, ang cute lang nung mga nakalagay. So, yung kay DK, nakalagay, first place at spacing out contest with Dolkiomi. Parang, space out yung baby ko pag nag-aaral. Kaya hindi siya nakakapasa. Okay lang. And then, Shua Cat Fan Club.
Yes.
And then, pinaka na-intrigue ako actually kay Jonghan, yung storyline niya. Kasi para I feel like yung depth nun medyo intense. So, parang seeing things as they are
Yes.
without glasses.
Correct.
Nakakatuwa. And then, yung kay Woozy, my friend who brought me out to the outside world, yung kaibigan niyang robot na,
Robot?
I think nandun din siya sa maestro. Charot. And then kay Kwani, I hope there will come a day where I hate the loud alarm less. So, very,
sobrang
very
ganda.
cute. And I think if
Yes.
you're a person going through stuff and you listen and watch that music video and you just see the brightness of it all, you'll just feel so warm inside. And like,
Yes.
these fucking guys, they know how to connect kasi with you when it comes to
Correct.
those particular feelings. And
Yes.
grabe. I mean, we were talking about like vocal unit songs. Ako talaga, nagla-latch on ako once I hear it. As in, iba talaga yung impact niya sa akin eh.
Yes.
Yun talaga for me ang forte nila. Hindi sila pumapalya sa mga ballads nila eh. As in
Correct.
talagang it's always on point. So whenever I think of
Yes.
17 actually, I always think of Softeen. So cheers
Oh,
to you.
love it.
It's just perfect.
May kailangan lang pala akong i-add na isa pa kasi yung Tiny Issue Club, tissue
Yeah.
na ano.
Oo.
I just love it because nung pinag-usapan natin yung mga Korean na mahilig yung sa mga English things that don't make sense, this one makes so much sense.
Right?
I love it. Because of their tiny issue, kailangan mo ng tissue, iiyak kayo, ganun. Okay, very good kayo doon. Love
Kasama
ko
tayo,
yun.
kakain tayo together. Alam mo yun?
I love it.
Ang ganda
Winner.
ng tiny
Ikaw
issue.
naman, Mon.
Sobrang ganda
I
ng
love
tiny
it.
issue. I love it so
Diba? No issue is too tiny for you to share.
Exactly.
Go.
Yeah, exactly.
I love it.
Oo.
Ikaw naman, Mon.
Super love this music video kasi perfect talaga siya for the song. And it really pulled heartstrings. Everything you said, yes. So, going to details na lang, parang hindi ko lang kinaya kasi para yung may certain exenas talaga na para dun mo na feel na my gosh, these people are your friends talaga. Or alam mo yun, parang na-feel mo talaga na yung pinagdadaan, ay the fact na naiintindihan natin yung mga individual kwentos. Siyempre, makakahaka lang natin to, diba, na personal issues nila to that they used as concepts of their individual storylines within the music video. But somehow kasi it makes sense. And I guess in our heads, it's true kasi nga, pick up natin itong mga little details when they share things to us, right? So that palang na-feel mo na kaya mo naiintindihan tong video na to kasi, ayun nga, nag-gets mo bigla kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi ng mga stories. And then two, those little parts, like for example, sorry, pero di ba nag-start with them showing the issue and then they cry. The moment they saw the shot of Sung Kwan crying, it started with Sung Kwan. My heart just broke to pieces because like, I mean, we all know what Sung Kwan has gone through in the past year, years even. So parang in my head, I can't take another crying Sung Kwan. As in, nag-shatter talaga yung heart ko kasi I can't see Sung Kwan crying anymore. Like, this has to stop. As in, may ganun ako. And syempre, with the others crying, also, syempre, ang sakit din to see them cry and in pain. So, dun palang na-feel mo na, my gosh, I really don't want these people hurt. May ganun ako. So, gets...
Protect them
them
at
at
all
all
I
costs!
know! It's another ganon of, oh my God, these people are my friends. Like, don't cry. As in, may ganon.
And lovers.
And lovers.
Uy, sabi pa nga dun sa TikTok na sinend ni Pia na hinuhulaan yung mga ideal type nila based on their star signs. Sorry, babalik tayo kay DK. Si DK kailangan daw maging friend ko muna.
Okay,
Yun
kaibiganin
lang.
mo muna.
Oo. So,
Tiny
yes to
issue
friendship. Yes to friendship, Monica.
Tama. And then, aside from, yun nga, the painful ones, nung nagsisimula na silang to gather together, kahit yung the hugs, I'm sorry, but like when Sung Kwan and Jonghan hugged, I was crying
Felt
again.
it.
Because like, we know their
Yeah.
relationship, them as roommates, and them, they have like a special bond, etc. And just, Jonghan talaga when he smiles, meron siyang ngisi na parang mahawa ka lang na gusto mo rin mag-smile. And even Joshua, parang, yung kay Joshua, yung ang ganda nung match cuts nung meerkat head na
Yes.
sumisilip na gano'n between the meerkat. It's an actual animal. It was like an animal talent. And Jonghan, yun pa lang, parang that simple movement, simple direction, nafe-feel mo na naiintindihan mo siya. Parang may ganun. Alam mo, may idea ko of what he might have gone or have been going through. That's why nagigets mo yung eksenang yan at ba't huling-huli mong ganon. So, yung mga ganon moments lang. So, I think, basically, what I'm trying to say is, this whole music video, it really felt like, it felt personal suddenly, not because they were
Yeah.
singing to us problems, issues that we can relate to, but also because we kind of know that this is what they might be going through as well, and you know, you just wanna reach out to them and comfort them back, and you wanna be part of that ending scene
Yeah.
with the fireworks, them doing yung mga sparklers
Yes.
and stuff. Parang
I
feel mo talaga na part ka ng barkadang yon, and perfect pa siya to the song, the tunog, how it was composed, like how it was arranged. Perfect lang talaga siya. Everything.
Yeah.
It's that kind of music video. That's why I super duper duper enjoyed watching this as well.
Parang I
What were
think
you gonna say,
in-
Chansey?
like in our previous conversations in about 17 and their songs in particular, parang we always go back to the fact na they are so, and I once again, too woozy. And the openness that they have towards their fans. Parang they are not afraid to share their thoughts and feelings so openly. Alam mo yun, talagang out there. I mean, we know naman we can't see everything. We're not privy to
Yes.
all their conversations, to their thoughts and all
Yes.
that. But what they allow themselves to put out is a lot. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
And it's good kasi tayong nakikinig sa kanila. Like, it healing. Yun lang talaga siya. Parang having someone parang say out loud, sing to you your innermost thoughts as well. It makes you feel that you're not alone. And this is just
Yes.
why they are so good. Alam mo yun, parang may nabasa nga
Correct.
ako somewhere na parang question siya sa Reddit na parang, who do you think, which idol or idol group do you think are like the friendliest people? 17, 17, 17,
Yeah.
17. As in talagang dire-diretsong
Yes.
17. Kasi that's just who they are. Alam mo yun? And they make us
Yes.
know that they are like that. So, sana yun
Yes.
talaga. Pero feeling ko yun
Correct.
talaga eh. As in,
Ako
deep
rin.
in my heart,
Umaasa
I
ako.
know na yun talaga
Yes.
sila.
And you know, the thing that I'm so grateful for as well for 17 is carrots. Like, I so love being a carrot. I also love being with carrots. I love that you both are carrots as well. Like, oh my gosh, ano
Ah,
nangyayari?
thank you to you, girl.
Thanks. It started with a
Thanks to
hey,
Tayna.
check them
Oo.
out.
Yeah.
Okay, may
Mine was a
14-year-old ang
homework.
kasalagin. Correct. But speaking of carrots, okay, very briefly, we just want you all to know na last week, grabe talaga yung carrot community because we just reached out to Carrotland PH like last year to ask if we could interview somebody from them, and they sent us Katie. You could check out our episode with her. We interviewed her about her experience about Carrotland. And from there, ayun, we've been keeping in touch, and they asked us to host their event. So it was our first event as One to Sarang hosting We Got the Fire, a Blazing Summer Affair. So kayo, one or two highlights from that night.
Highlights.
What are we highlights. Sobrang nagpapasalamat tayo sa Carrotland PH that they gave this to us. Nung gabing yun, nagpa-census pa tayo actually kung ano yung favorite nila kasi Lalali tsaka Spell pa lang yung meron. Madami sa mga carrot ay
Correct.
Spell ang favorite.
Oo.
Pasensya na sa
actually.
iba naming opinion.
Oo nga. Oo. But let us know. Baka naman yun nga once again, may na-miss kami about it.
Correct. Pag-usapan natin.
Oo, pag-usapan.
Highlights.
natin. Yung highlight sa akin is just the dance fucking marathon
Yeah!
occurred that night. From the moment we stepped on stage to the very end. Alam mo, just the dancing that happened. Like, watching them dance and like dancing with each other. Like, it's just so much
Yes.
fun. And iba talaga sumayaw pag may kasama kang mga fans. Same as you.
Correct.
Alam mo yun, like kahit na hindi ko alam lahat ng steps, but just like watching them, my God, can I just share? Like, I took this video na nasa harap ako nung stage. So, like with everyone there, dun sa dance floor dancing. I was just like taking a video and watching. And I cannot help but like think na inang talented ng mga carrots. Grabe talaga, sobrang galing. As in, the dancing talaga. And it just made my heart so full seeing these people who are so in love and passionate with not a group, or not just a group, but like with something in their
K-pop?
life. alam mo yun, with something in their life. Passionate with something in
Something
their
that
life.
means,
something.
Oo.
yeah.
Alam mo yun, like, they found
Means a lot
meaning
to
in
them.
this. And like,
Yeah.
Yes.
and like putting it out there and coming
Yeah.
together to celebrate it. It just makes my heart so full. And like, I just really
Yes.
appreciate all that energy and just being there. Alam mo yun. And just following
Yeah.
your heart. Alam mo yun, nakakatuwa. Yun lang. Nakakabata
Yes.
also.
Oo,
Nakakabata.
naman. Namashte, wala namang nag-judge sa atin sa mga
In
age
fairness,
natin
yun
that
yung
night.
worry natin nun eh. Parang like, baka isipin na, sino namang
Accepted.
masyusyondang to?
Wale.
Tinanggap niyo kami ng buong buo.
Kamsahamnidang.
Kamsamnida.
Ikaw, Mon, highlight.
Shucks. Ako, personal siya. More
Yes.
of like, parang, well, one, it was so great for us to be able to do that because it was our
Yes.
first time doing something like it.
Uh-huh.
And we've always
Yes.
talked about it, like, how can we, I mean, we're enjoying these recordings, but ano pa ba ang mga other steps that we can do so that, we can showcase our talents and all that. I mean, as fellow lovers of Hallyu, alam mo yun.
Share our love to
Yes.
other people.
And there's nothing better than doing it live, I guess, especially since we also came from the stage, from theater, because
Yes.
syempre theater, it's dealing with, you deal with a live audience, you deal with the energies of the people, you get the energies of the people, and that's what fuels us to perform, I guess. So, highlight yun sa akin kasi finally, as a group, we're able to do something new for the first time in a while, and it was really, really exciting. Extra exciting because I've never really, I don't do things like that, really. I don't host big events. So, extra happy that I got to experience that. And also a highlight is of course doing it with you guys because like, I mean, come on. It really felt like a pagbabalik to, I guess, the old days, going back to the roots nga na para once upon a time before we would be together on stage or, put the projects like this na on the live stage nga. So, it was great. It was nice. And an additional highlight too is that we also had some friends and family, lover, husband there to support us. Because they knew nga it was our first gig doing something like it. And super shout out talaga to Dan and Sam who really went there to join us and became our videographers. Wow.
And
I know,
manager.
salamat sa mga
And-
video.
Oo, and
Grabe.
manage us and support and
Oo.
encourage us na parang, you can do it, ganun. So parang
Yes.
sobrang na-appreciate ko yung ganung energy. Maliban of course to the energy of being with Carrots kasi, I mean,
Yes.
ang saya pa rin talaga to be like in the same place, in the same venue na meron tayong, yun nga, pagmamahal, shared pagmamahal towards a person or something. And it shows. And there's just so much care for everyone. I mean, hindi siya yung usual mahabang whatever pa yan. Pero kumbaga, alam mo yun, dahil alam natin na lahat tayo karat, everyone was just happy, respectful, polite, alam mo yun, friendly, like usap lang
Yes.
to whoever. Wala na, as in, wala nang barricades whatsoever,
Yeah.
kung ano man na we usually have when we're dealing with real life, I guess, or work,
Yes.
other things in life. So, it was a good night. That sums up the highlights of that night. For me.
Yes. Super agree sa mga sinabi ninyo. Like with what Chancy said about like the dancing, sobrang love ko talaga. Kasi, again, I'm also part of K-pop Stands for Good Governance. Nag-RPD din kami. Yung RPD kasi doon, tsaka yung mga sayawan, palaban, magagaling sila, alam nila yung choreo, as in, down pat. Pero dito, parang okay lang kahit na any lang yung sayawin mo. Walang mag-judge sa'yo.
With energy.
Oo, sobrang sarap. And ang saya ng feeling. Tapos sobrang highlight sa akin, of course, yung nagpatugtog sila ng love shot. Tapos naglo-love shot tayo ng paano tayo tinuruan ni Joshua. Mag-love
Correct.
shot. Yung ganon. Sobrang, ang saya-saya lang to be in that space. And also like being with fellow Carrots. Like, I remember this moment. I didn't even get her name, but she's also part of Carrotland PH. She was wearing a red top and black pants. Kasi nakikita ko nung RPD, sayaw siya ng sayaw. Tapos nung nasa likod tayo, nagpapahinga after natin mag-host, bigla siyang naglalakad. Tapos nun, Left and Right was playing. Tapos tumayo lang ako sa harapan niya. Nagkatinginan kami. Tapos sabay lang kami sumayo ng Left and Right. As in, yung mga ganong moments, di ba? Sobrang saya. Di ba? Hindi mo yun magagawa kung hindi mo
Hindi
kasama
talaga.
yung mga carrots. Like, little things like that.
Can I just add lang?
Yes.
Kung tapos ka na with your highlight, yung isa pang gusto kong, or rather realization ko about the carrot world in the Philippines is, akala ko kasi dilulo na tayo eh. Medyo intense. Pero kasi nung nag-question and answer portion tayo, like, umikot kami sa crowd, nagtanong kami about their biases and stuff. So, saan mo gusto halikan?
Girl.
Ano kayang amoy? Sa anong gusto yung first date? Buo ang mga sagot. Naisip na nila, matagal na itong nasa utak nila. So, parang ako like, men, akala ko malala na tayo eh. Hindi pa
Tsaka
pala
buti na lang
together.
talaga.
Mm-mm.
Buti na lang 18 plus sa Whiskey Park. Kasi yung mga
Exactly.
sagot nila minsan nakakagulat. Sa tanda kong to, nako, I clutched on my pearls. Wow.
Correct.
Ganun yung feel.
As in parang, girl, 8 o'clock pa lang, kakasimula pala ng program. Usapang dilaan na tayo.
Masyado umiinom. I'm so
Headlock.
grateful.
Usapang headlock.
Usapang headlock?
Na-shock talaga. Buti na lang, hindi pwede yung anak ko doon kasi malaloka talaga ako. Hindi ko alam paano
I'm sure marami
mag-react.
siya makakontribute, moms.
Oh no!
I'm so sorry.
No.
At
But
14,
really,
yes.
again, thank you so much to Carrotland PH. We're so thankful for this trust and for this partnership. And we're so looking
Yes.
forward to our event tomorrow. My gosh, please check out our socials. We're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook para makita ninyo lahat ng aming mga ganaps, ang mga photos, ang mga videos. Ayan. Okay, so now it's time for our game. At ang aming game ay very fitting for 17 dahil maglalaro kami ng Try Not to Laugh Challenge. So, paano namin to gagawin? Una, nagagaybo na kami. So, ang mauuna is si Monica, then ako yung next, and then si Trency. Oh, by age pala ito. Okay, so
Correct.
anong mangyayari? So, in 1 minute, kailangan ninyong magpa-try not to laugh, pero meron tayong mga scenario. So, pipili kayo muna ng mga numbers from 1 to 5. Pipili kayo twice. Okay? Kasi yung first na scenario is kung ano yung kailangan ninyong gawin, and yung second scenario is how. Okay?
Okay.
So, kailangan ninyong pumili ng number from 1 to 5 twice. So, yung
Okay.
yung anong gagawin tsaka how. Okay, so
Okay.
Mon, pumili ka muna ng number from 1 to 5 sa anong gagawin.
5.
5. Okay, tapos ano naman yung how mo?
3.
Okay, so ang kailangan mong gawin in 1 minute is you have to declaim a poem. How? Drunk. So magpo-poetry ka ng lasing. So, in
Ay,
1
acting
minute, kailangan mo
challenge.
yung gawin. Tapos nun, kailangan mo kaming patawanin. So, kung matawa kami, check, panalo ka. Kung di kami matawa, X. Hindi ka, ikaw ang magiging going ranger.
Oh my God!
Wala
But
ko
I
gusto
wanna
maging
be a Red
Ranger.
Ranger.
Ay, hindi sabihin ko. Gusto ko maging Going Ranger.
Sobrang DK nun!
I volunteer.
DK nun.
Pili ka
Oh,
muna
sige.
para maghanap ako
Pili
ng
na
tula.
muna ako. So, sa first ko is 2 and 2. Okay. Ha! So, sa akin, I have to sing How Being Tickled.
Oh,
Yun
dali
yung how
nun.
ko.
Okay.
Okay. Ikaw naman, Trency.
Ako. 1 and 4.
Okay. So, ikaw ay you have to cry how nang natatae. Sobrang bagay sa'yo.
Yun yung nangyari sa akin na Sunday eh. Madali lang yan.
Okay. So, kailangan nyo kaming patawanan in that scenario.
Okay.
Nahihirapan ako sa akin. Okay. Sabihin nyo, ready na ba?
Teka
Oo,
lang,
nasa
nagdali
Monica.
ko ng tula. Kailangan ko
Sige,
maghanap
hanap ka
ng
muna ng tula. Ako
Ano
rin,
bang
hindi ko alam.
madaling tula? Teka.
Okay. So, ready na tayo. Ang mauuna ay si Monica. Magsa-start lang ako ng aming timer. In 1 minute, kailangan mo kaming patawanin.
Okay, ano lang, request lang, hindi tula, pero considered tula-ish na lang din.
Okay.
Ang gagawin ko ay Florante at Laura. Isang awit, pero nananagalog. Ang kapal na mukha ako mananagalog.
Go!
Isa siyang
Galingan mo.
awit, pero sinulat siya ni Balagtas. Tama, di ba si Balagtas? Na isang
Yes,
poet.
Francisco Balagtas.
So, I shall consider this poetry na rin.
Okay. Timer
Okay.
starts. Ay, wait lang. Kailangan ko pala sabihin. So, si Mon ay kailangang magtula ng lasing. In
Okay.
3, 2, 1, and go.
Sa isang madilim, gubat na papanglaw! Tawag na patitik ay walang pagitan! Halos naghihirap ang kay Bebong Silang. Tumalaw sa loob ng lubang masukal. Hindi ko to ginagawa ng tama. Malaking kahoy ang inahandog. Pawag dalamhati ka pa sa pawat malungkot. Ang sakit. Huni pa ng ibon ay nakalulunos sa lalong matimpit. Nasasayang loob.
And,
And
ano yung
scene.
word mo kanina? Matitinik? Ano yung sinabi mo?
Matitinik na ng mga tampapos.
Kasi nakakainis pala yung kodigo ko. May mga question mark. Hindi, okay, never mind. Sorry, na-lost ako kasi I was trying to be drunk but I was also trying to be Alden Richards na sumisigaw.
Nakakatawa yun.
Bagyo!
Pasig!
Hindi ko na kinakaya yung mali-mali niyang Tagalog. Ang sabi ni Francisco Balagtas, pasensya po.
Lasing
Aming
naman daw kasi.
paumanhin. Lasing.
Ano yun, 7 stages of
Na-lost ako,
Mon's
mali
drunkenness.
ako. First line pa lang. Kasi natatawa na ako na paano ko babagyo to. Bagyo. Yung funny. Okay, next na.
Hindi,
Naiya na
girl.
ako.
Girl,
napigilan ko
maraming
lang.
pagpipigil. Kung nakikita mo yung
As
kamay
in.
ko,
Ako nga, hinawakan ko ulit yung lips ko kasi
Oo
naalala
nga.
ko pinagalitan ako ni Trency. So, bawal.
Pero nakakatawa yung nakaganto lang sa isang side.
Tapos naalala ko, so tinanggal ko.
Enough na
Okay.
siya. Okay.
Ako naman,
Silang, gano'n. Inang Alden yan.
Bago!
hoy, Alden Catherine, lumayag.
Ay,
Yes!
I
Lumayag.
want this ship to sail.
Yes, palayagin.
Let's go.
Mm-mm.
Okay, ako
wala
naman.
tumawa,
okay.
hindi yung
I'll timer.
funny.
Funny ka, girl, napigilan lang namin.
Mm-mm. Kasi
ako,
naman,
ako
girl,
sure na akong,
oo.
medyo sure na akong hindi ako funny kasi hindi ko alam. Ako, I have to sing ng kinikiliti.
Okay.
Ay, nako. Sorry. Nag-apologize in advance. Alam ko nang hindi ako funny, pero sige.
Funny!
Let's go.
And
Let's go.
scene.
세상이 붕이 잦은 시단 무공빵 지지빵 히tok 호tok di ba may motok? Anyway, igon deshigen gurgikikikbang wala, hindi ako natatawa. Bitch one and two mabobeja tantaga nogahe gibigo na kikitsune walo. Here Dear, hitman bang lang yung nakakatawa dapat. Tapos dapat ticklish. Hindi ko na kaya. Nakainom na ako. Di pa ako naka 1 minute. Kailangan lang pala mag-rant para matawa si Monica. Wala pa ako 1 minuto.
Hindi ko na kaya. Akala.
Thank you, Monica.
Okay
Thank you
na.
so much for your laughter.
Pebong Silang.
Bagyo!
Alden, I got you.
Richards.
Okay, go. Transi,
Okay,
ready ka
ako
na
na.
ba?
Ready na ba kayo?
Naman ay, yun lang. Si Transi ay kailangang umiyak ng natatae.
Off cam ako.
Ay, may off-cam pa. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, and go.
Nay! Nay! Dala ko na po yung pinabili nyo! Nay! 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 Pagbuksan nyo ang pinto, Nay! 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 Please! Nay! 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 Natatay na ako, Nay! 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 Nagising niyo, Nay! Nay! Gastroenteritis. Nay, gising po! Gising kayo, Nay! Dala ko na po yung pinabili niyo sa akin na pansit! Nay, gising kayo, Nay! Nay, sakit ng tiyan ko na. Dito na ako sa tabi niyo, Nay. Matulog
And
na
scene.
tayo.
To be fair, girl, parang mga 20 seconds pa lang tumatawa na kami. Oh my God. Hinika na po si Monica. Kailangan na niya ng steroids.
Ang pinansit.
But no, ang pansit niya, bibim yun.
Ang pansit eh.
Taray. Bibim yun. Thank you, Paldo. Bakit
Beshi,
naman?
may patis akong dala. Pero, the Thai version.
Wow. Oh my God.
So, medyo
Okay, sana.
extra level. I hope I made DK proud. I love you so much.
Nako, DK, eto na ang iyong friend na magiging lover.
Yes, your wife.
Carrots and those na nag-iisip pa kung gusto nyo bang maging into 17, ito na ang inyong sign. Come on, let's go! Ganito po sila kabaliw. Ganito po talaga. And we hope that we could see more of you and more of the events in the future. Thank you so much, Carrotland PH, for inviting us. Tomorrow, we will be at Nostalgia, well, as of recording. And then last week, we got the fire sa McKinley Whiskey Park. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood sa amin, and please comment, let us know if you liked our episode. Kung meron kayong mga comments na medyo hindi kapareho nung sa amin, pag-usapan natin yan. Baguhin ninyo ang aming mga isip. Thank you everybody for watching and listening. Yay! Heart to heart to!
Love you guys!
Annyeong!
Saranghae!
Dun sa Going Rangers, paano nyo sila patatawanin? Magpapatawa ba kayo o pipili kayo ng ibang game?
Feeling ko gusto kong ma-challenge na patawanin.
O paano mo sila patatawanin?
Tiger. Ano? Pero dalawa.
Pwede bang ano?
Tapos nasa boobs.
Oo, ganun. Yung kay Hoshi nasa ano niya eh. Sa kanyang nether regions.
Pelvic area.
Actually, yung sagot ko, pwede bang technical tawa? Pwede bang kilitian?
Actually,
gustong
hindi na rin
makakapa.
establish.
Oo.
Bakit nga walang ng mga nag-knock-knock joke? Ganon.
Wala
Dapat
ka
lahat
nag-knock-knock
slapstick.
joke. Oh, knock-knock joke, bilis.
Knock-knock.
Hello.
Who's there?
Who's
Ay.
there?
Teka lang. Ako pala yung magjo-joke.
And that is the joke in itself.
Ah!